Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for everything you need to make better purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head showdown between the Comgrow official Creality Ender 3, which we'll call Ender 3, and the Elegoo Saturn 312 KMSLA 3D printer, or just Saturn 3. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's start with the price. On the left, we have our budget-friendly buddy, Ender 3, coming in at a wallet-happy $232. On the right, Saturn 3, looking all high and mighty at $399. That's almost double, folks. For that price difference, Saturn 3 better print me a new car or at least a pizza. Next up, assembly. Ender 3 promises an easy and quick assembly, just 2 hours to put together 20 nuts. Wait, 2 hours? Is this a printer or IKEA furniture? Meanwhile, Saturn 3 doesn't even mention assembly. So I'm guessing it either assembles itself or it's so complicated they don't want to scare us off. Either way, Ender 3 takes this round for at least being upfront about the struggle. Now, let's talk about the tech. Ender 3 boasts advanced extruder technology to reduce plugging and bad extrusion. Extrusion sounds like a fancy word for not messing up, right? But wait, Saturn 3 comes in hot with a 12K LCD screen and a COB plus FCLS light source. COB and FCLS? Are these secret government acronyms? Jokes aside, Saturn 3's tech game is strong. With a 12K resolution, you'd expect it to print out your wildest dreams in HD. Ender 3, step up your game, buddy. Now, for the big one, literally. Ender 3 has a decent print volume, but Saturn 3 is like, hold my resin. With a print size of 218.88 millimeters by 122.88 millimeters by 250 millimeters, this thing can print an Eiffel Tower replica if you've got the patience and the resin. Ender 3, you're cute, but Saturn 3 is the King Kong of print volumes. User experience, because who doesn't love fighting with software? Ender 3 keeps it simple, while Saturn 3 comes with Voxel Dance Tango slicing software. Voxel Dance Tango sounds like a dance move, but it's actually a software with 3 modes: static, dynamic, and high speed. High speed mode? Sign me up. But wait, Saturn 3 also boasts an open-source GOO slice format. GO? Really? Who names these things? Let's not forget safety and support. Ender 3 brags about a safety-protected power supply. Only 5 minutes to heat up the bed to 100 degrees. That's hotter than my coffee. Saturn 3, on the other hand, has a unique heat dissipation system and great after-sales service. They even promise to reply within 24 hours. That's faster than my internet provider. Reviewers say that the Ender 3 is a reliable and easy-to-use printer, especially for beginners. It's praised for its affordability and the learning experience it provides. On the other hand, the Saturn 3 is noted for its high-quality prints, ease of use, and excellent customer service, despite some issues with consistency and defective parts. So there you have it, folks. If you're balling on a budget, Ender 3 is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge for some serious tech and larger prints, Saturn 3 is your new best friend. Remember, it's not about what you spend. It's about spending smart. So hit that like button, smash that subscribe, and let us know in the comments which 3D printer wins your heart. Until next time, keep buying smart. Product links are in the description.